What up, y'all? I went. Your boy went to Honey Baked Ham. They didn't. This little ass drink. Your boy went to Honey Baked Ham, y'all. And this thing is crazy. Ooh. Ooh. You see the tomatoes on it. Your boy trying to grow up. Okay, I'm trying to grow up. You feel me? I got the jalapenos. This thing. I never heard of them. Deep River. Mm-hmm. 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 Got ham, turkey, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, bacon. I don't know what type of bread this is. Okay. 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 I hear you. Mm-hmm. 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 Come a little close. Yes. Yes. 10 times. For sure you right on. Yes. Mm-hmm. You wanna try this?
Please, cause this is no. The inside of it is good, but
I'll be back. Hold on.
this is good.
Thank you. 9-8.